Have you ever got into a little accident or fender bender or whatever you like to call it, and you call your local mechanic or auto body or whatever, and they say, oh, that's gonna be like $1,000. What? For my little front bumper? Nah, you can fix it yourself with the heat gun and a glove at home to go from this to this. So let's get straight into learning how to do this. First, you're gonna take a heat gun, heat up the bumper as hot as you can get it, put on a glove, and put your hand inside the bumper and start pushing it until it comes out. It will get majority of the dent out like this, and then from there you can massage it with your hands and a little more heat, and it will be flexible so you can adjust it and get it to your liking. And then all the little other dents you could do it by hand as well with the heat gun, and just massage everything and get it to where it's OEM. Now, as for the little scratches, you can take it out with reducer or compound by hand, or you can just buff the car. And if the scratches are too deep, you can always touch up the paint and it'll look nice. You can even sand it down and buff it as well. It'll come out really nice, and that's it. Super easy, you could do it in a couple seconds. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on all those links down below. Gotta catch you guys next time. Peace and God bless.